What is up, beautiful world? We are back again with another Studio Saturdays, and then this time what I'm going to be showing you is a unique way to remove backgrounds that still fit the scene without painting in anything excess. So here we have a little self-portrait I was doing. What we're going to do is we're just going to make a background copy really quick. You use this fun little tool. If you don't already know, there's an object selection tool that Adobe just released. It's pretty unique. It's actually really accurate. As you can see, basically very accurate. And I'm just going to tidy this up with the polygon lasso and the lasso tool really quick. So what I'm basically doing is just double checking, making sure like everything is selected and no random bits like that aren't selected. Make sure it gets all the way into corners, stuff like that. So if you could see, the reason I want to remove this background is because you could see the leg to my stand here for the drop sheet background. As well as the drop sheet and the table I'm sitting on. So what I'm going to be doing here is we're going to select me using the object selection. We're just going to select the inverse, and then you go to filter, blur, average, and this is just going to take an average color selection of the background and blur you in with it. And if you even wanted to, before going to here, you can go image, adjustments, desaturate. So if it does have any pigment to it, you can remove it and turn it to a simply black colored image, which I don't think it really has. Oh, it does. It has a little bit of a hue to it. It looks good, and that's a simple way to change backgrounds to a solid color or even a gradient after just selecting out the image. But if you want the color that's going to match with the scene the best, you can just use the filter, blur, average to achieve this, and it gives a pretty nice background, I would say, as compared to what was the before to the after. It looks natural, it looks clean, and it looks good. And if you even really wanted to, you can add in just like a little bit of light or something in the background coming from the top corner where my light actually would be. So it's just a simple way to remove a background and have it look and appear in one color. I do hope you guys enjoyed this Studio Saturdays. If this video was helpful, please feel free to like, comment, or even subscribe. Share this with your friends, family, or any other photographers you know, and leave a comment whether you thought this was helpful or not, or another topic you think I should cover for next week's video. Other than that, I'll see you guys next Saturday.